Brandon here with Advanced Garage Door Works. I've been doing garage doors for 20 years and sometimes I still get surprised. Just the other day I had a customer call me who, believe it or not, had a horse run through her garage door and wipe out 3 of the bottom sections. Cars, yes, side-by-sides, it happens, but a horse, that was a new one. If you have something weird, I'd love to hear about it, and even more, we'd love to give you a quote. So give us a call at Advanced Garage Door Works, and we'll come out and take a look at whatever the weirdest thing is you can come up with.